Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Explorer versus the Kia Telluride. We'll dive deep into what makes each of these popular three-row SUVs stand out, helping you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. We'll cover everything from engine power and interior comfort to advanced safety features and overall value. Get ready for a comprehensive breakdown to inform your next vehicle choice. When it comes to performance, the Ford Explorer typically starts with a robust 300 horsepower turbocharged engine, offering strong acceleration. The Kia Telluride counters with a smooth 291 horsepower V6 engine, known for its refined power delivery. Both vehicles provide excellent handling for their class and offer available all-wheel drive, ensuring confident traction in various driving conditions. Your choice depends on your preference for raw power versus smooth, consistent output. Inside, the Kia Telluride often boasts a more spacious and comfortable third row, making it a favorite for larger families. The Ford Explorer, however, offers an impressive maximum cargo volume of 87.8 cubic feet with the rear seats folded, ideal for hauling gear. Both SUVs come equipped with modern infotainment systems, large touchscreens, and connectivity features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring everyone stays entertained and connected on the go. Safety is paramount, and both the Ford Explorer and Kia Telluride consistently earn top safety ratings from organizations like the IAS, thanks to their comprehensive driver assistance suites. In terms of value, the Telluride often presents a more attractive starting price point, while the Explorer might offer more powerful engine options across its trims. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your priorities for features, space, and budget. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.